You already know that PowerPlate is designed to accelerate performance and recovery, but sometimes you need additional reach, more control, more movement potential, and that's when the PowerPlate cable extension kits come in. It is going to be offered standard with the Pro 8 model, and it will be an accessory that you can purchase for your My 8. Let's see what's in the box. Inside your extension cable kit, you will find 2 anchor point, 2 pulley for the cable, and finally your extension cable. And I will show you how we're going to attach those to the handlebar on your PowerPlate. Okay, I reached for the anchor point, and the first thing that we need to do is loose up the jaw that is going to be attached to the handle of my PowerPlate Pro 8 here. So you have this little leverage here, and I'm going to unscrew it until it's wide enough to be placed on the handlebar, and then tighten it up just a little bit, not too much, because I need to be able to close that little clip here, and making sure that it's safely attached here to that handlebar. I placed the hook facing towards the ceiling, and then you can notice here I lined up the attachment with the upper right corner of my screen. So it's going to be very easy for me to level the second anchor point right at the other side. All right, I'm doing the second one. Again, I remind you, this is something that you're going to be setting up, and then you're going to leave it on your plate. You're not going to remove it in and off. Maybe if you choose to have a different angle lower on your bar, but most of the time, this is going to be the placement that you want it at. So let me show you again. You can see that I'm opening the pulley by sliding one side opposite to the other. I'm placing that cable on the pulley. This is what's going to be facing down. This is what's going to be facing up. And so right here, I attach it on the hook. Wonderful. Make sure that, once again, it is facing you. And here it goes. So we have, again, the attachment here, right there, that is going to stay like this, and then my clip that is facing down. Let me show you a few exercises and how to clip it and how to finish to adjust it. You can see the final product with the extension cable clipped now to the base of my platform, and then on the opposite side, the handle that is clipped on the extension cable. Both anchor lined up with the top of my screen. And I can now exercise. I have selected the appropriate resistance on my screen and then start doing my exercise for my upper body.